All right, so now that we're going to jump into these porch slabs, we want to, we'll start in an easy place. So first, we're going to do SB for slab SB. It's going to be the, okay, for some reason didn't want to do it with the shortcut. That's all right. We're going to want to come in and model this, or we've got our slab here, and we're going to put a slope in here because if we remember in the architectural drawings here, we can see that it's showing a slope here. You can look at structural and it says slope RE arch. So the problem is that that architecture doesn't actually specify what the slope is at these places. So what we need to do then is we're just going to make an assumption, and then look, we've asked the question, what does that slope be? Typically for these, it's going to be 1/4 inch per foot. So to do that here, we're going to say specify slope, and we want to say height offset at tail is 0. And because it's sloping down from the tail to the head, we want to say a negative slope of -1/4 inch per 12 foot. And now what's great is we can take a look at this in 3D. We can see, hey, it is sloping down. And we can see, okay, this is sloping the right way. The other thing is that we want to look at this, and we can also see that these are also supposed to be 7-inch steps down. So 7 inches below 100 foot, which is where this is going to be 99 foot 5. So we can say -0-7. There we go, 99.5, 99.4. Then let's go ahead and model our thickened slab edge. Right there. Easy enough. Now, let's take those two. Let's do the both of those. Make sure we're only getting those. We don't want the grid. We can copy this around. Just got to put it right in there and see it gets the slab edge as well. Copy this over. Looks like we've got everything in there. But let's not forget our thickened slabs in the interior that we have to put at these two locations. So copy this around. And then I'm going to do the same thing we did before where we pick a new face. So what it's going to do is it's going to put this at an angle when it's in there. You can see how maybe the easiest way to check it is we can say, hey, the elevation is changing along the length of this, so it is actually sloping. So again, we can align that to the center there. Let's pull back this part to the part where we want to get, again, keeping in mind that there's this kind of narrower part of the thickened slab that's right here because it's at an angle, and that's what we care about. And then we want to do the same right about there. And then let's not forget that we need to join the two together so that it looks correct. And then join this. All right. So we've gotten the porch slabs, but let's also not forget that we've got a few places where we need to thicken the slabs up at these locations where they're sticking off the edge. So we'll take care of that in the